Meeting at school. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. ሰላም እንደምን አደርክ? Good morning, how are you? Good morning, how are you? እንደምን አደርክ? እንዴት ነህ? I am fine, thank you. And you? I am fine, thank you. And you? ደህና ነኝ፣ አመሰግናለሁ። አንተስ? I am good too. I am good too. እኔም ደህና ነኝ። Going to class. Are you going to class now? Are you going to class now? አሁን ወደ ክፍል እየሄድክ ነው? Yes, my English class starts now. Yes, my English class starts now. አዎ፣ የእንግሊዘኛ ክፍሌ አሁን ይጀምራል። Which room is your class? Which room is your class? ክፍልህ የትኛው ነው? Room 12. Room 12. 12ኛ ክፍል ላይ። My class is next to your room. My class is next to your room. የኔ ክፍል ካንተ ክፍል ቀጥሎ ነው። In the classroom. Good morning, students. Good morning, students. እንደምን አደራችሁ ተማሪዎች? Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. እንደምን አደሩ መምህር? Open your books, please. Open your books, please. እባካችሁ መጽሐፋችሁን ክፈቱ። Which page? Which page? የትኛው ገጽ? Page 25. Page 25. ገጽ 25. Asking questions. Excuse me, teacher. Excuse me, teacher. ይቅርታ መምህር? Yes. Yes. አዎ። I don't understand this word. I don't understand this word. ይሄ ቃል አልገባኝም። No problem, I will explain it. No problem, I will explain it. ችግር የለውም፣ እገልጽልሃለሁ። Thank you. Thank you. አመሰግናለሁ። Talking with friends. Do you like English? Do you like English? እንግሊዘኛን ትወዳለህ? Yes, I like it very much. Yes, I like it very much. አዎ፣ በጣም ወደዋለሁ። Is English difficult for you? Is English difficult for you? እንግሊዘኛ ከባድ ነው ላንተ? Sometimes, but I practice every day. Sometimes, but I practice every day. አንዳንድ ጊዜ አዎ፣ ግን በየቀኑ ለማመዳለሁ። That's very good. That's very good. ያ በጣም ጥሩ ነው። During break time. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. ወደ ውጭ እንሄድ። Okay, I need some fresh air. Okay, I need some fresh air. Studying together. Do you study at night? Do you study at night? ማታ ታጠናለህ? Yes, usually after dinner. Yes, usually after dinner. አዎ፣ ብዙ ጊዜ ከራት በኋላ። Can you help me with homework tomorrow? Can you help me with homework tomorrow? ነገ በቤት ስራ ልትረዳኝ ትችላለህ? Of course. Of course. በእርግጥ Thank you my friend. Thank you my friend. አመሰግናለሁ ጓደኛዬ። After school. Goodbye students. See you tomorrow. Goodbye students. See you tomorrow. ደህና ሁኑ ተማሪዎች፣ ነገ እንገናኛለን። Goodbye teacher. Goodbye teacher. ደህና ይቆዩ መምህር። Okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, see you tomorrow. እሺ፣ ነገ እንገናኛለን። Hello, welcome to the shop. Hello, welcome to the shop. ሰላም፣ እንኳን ወደ ሱቃችን መጣህ። Thank you. Thank you. አመሰግናለሁ። How are you today? How are you today? ዛሬ እንዴት ነህ? I am good, thank you. And you? I am good, thank you. And you? ደህና ነኝ፣ አመሰግናለሁ። አንተስ? I am fine too. I am fine too. እኔም ደህና ነኝ። Can I help you? Can I help you? ልረዳህ እችላለሁ? ምን ላግዝህ? Yes, please. I want a t-shirt. Yes, please. I want a t-shirt. አዎ እባክህ፣ ቲሸርት እፈልጋለሁ። What color do you like? What color do you like? ምን ቀለም ትወዳለህ? I like black and blue. I like black and blue. ጥቁርና ሰማያዊ እወዳለሁ። What size do you wear? What size do you wear? ምን ያክል መጠን ያለው ነው የምትለብሰው? Medium size. Medium size. መካከለኛ መጠን ወይም መካከለኛ ሳይዝ ያለው። Here is a black t-shirt. Here is a black t-shirt. ይሄ ጥቁር ቲሸርት ነው። It looks nice. It looks nice. ቆንጆ ይመስላል። Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it? ትሞክረው ትፈልጋለህ? Yes, where is the fitting room? Yes, where is the fitting room? አዎ፣ መለወጫ ክፍሉ የት ነው? It is over there. It is over there. እዚያ ነው፣ እዛ ነው። It fits well. It fits well. ጥሩ ሆኖ ተመጣጠነልኝ። Great. Great. በጣም ጥሩ። Do you have another color? Do you have another color? ሌላ ቀለም አለ? Yes, we have white and red. Yes, we have white and red. አዎ፣ ነጭና ቀይ ቀለም አለኝ። I want to the blue one. ሰማያዊውን ነው የምፈልገው። How much is it? How much is it? ስንት ነው? It is 800 ብር. It is 800 ብር. 800 ብር ነው. That is expensive. That is expensive. ያ ውድ ነው. We have a discount today. We have a discount today. ዛሬ ቅናሽ አለ. Really? Really? እውነት? Yes, now it is 650 ብር. Yes, now it is 650 ብር. አዎ, አሁን 650 ብር ነው. Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? ሌላ ነገር ትፈልጋለህ? Yes, I need shoes too. Yes, I need shoes too. አዎ, ጫማ እፈልጋለሁ. What size are your shoes? What size are your shoes? የጫማ ሳይዝ ወይም የጫማ መጠን ስንት ነው? Size 42. Size 42. 42 ቁጥር ነው. These shoes are very popular. These shoes are very popular. እነዚህ ጫማዎች በጣም ተወዳጅና ታዋቂ ናቸው. Do you come here often? Do you come here often? ብዙ ጊዜ ወደዚህ ትመጣለህ? Sometimes. Sometimes. አንዳንድ ጊዜ. Thank you for visiting our shop. Thank you for visiting our shop. ሱቃችን ስለጎበኘህ አመሰግናለሁ. You are welcome. You are welcome. ምንም አይደል. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? በካርድ መክፈል እችላለሁ? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. አዎ, ትችላለህ. Here is my card. Here is my card. ይህ ካርዴ ነው. Thank you. Please enter your password. Thank you. Please enter your password. አመሰግናለሁ. እባክህ ፓስወርድህን አስገባ. Okay. Okay. እሺ. Payment successful. Payment successful. ክፍያው ተሳክቷል፣ ጨርሷል. Here is your bag. Here is your bag. ይህ ያንተ ቦርሳ ነው. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. በጣም አመሰግናለሁ. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. መልካም ቀን ይሆንልህ. You too. Goodbye. ላንተም ደህና ቆይ.